How to start a charity organization. Hi there, and welcome back to our channel Atutaka Solutions, where we share everything in relation to technology, business, and investment tips. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to start a charity organization. If you're looking to make a positive impact in your community, starting a charity can be a great way to give back. In this video, we are going to walk you through the steps to get started and give you some examples of successful charity organization. So let's dive in. My name is Martha Kevirembe. If it's your very first time here, kindly subscribe. Step 1. Identify a cause. The first step to starting a charity organization is to identify a cause that you're passionate about. This could be anything from helping the homeless to supporting animal welfare. Once you've identified your cause, you'll need to do some research to see if there is a need for your charity in your community. You can start by looking up statistics, talking to experts, and reaching out to other charity organizations. Example, the American Cancer Society is a charity organization that was founded in 1913 to fight cancer. They have raised millions of dollars over the years to fund cancer research, provide support to cancer patients, and raise awareness about the disease. Step number 2, choose a name and register your charity. Once you've identified your cause, it's time to choose a name for your charity organization. You'll want to choose a name that's memorable, easy to spell, and reflects the mission of your charity. Once you've chosen a name, you will need to register your charity with the appropriate authorities in your area. This will likely involve filling out paperwork and paying a fee. For example, the Make-A-Wish Foundation is a charity organization that was founded in 1980 to grant wishes to children with life-threatening illnesses. They are registered as a non-profit organization with the IRS and have chapters all over the world. Step number 3, create a business plan. Starting a charity organization is similar to starting a business in many ways. You will need to create a business plan that outlines your goals, strategies, and funding sources. This will help you stay organized and focused as you work to grow your charity organization. For example, Charity Water is a charity organization that was founded in 2006 to bring clean and safe drinking water to people in developing countries. They have a detailed business plan that includes fundraising strategies, marketing tactics, and a budget for their operations. Step 4. Build a team and start fundraising. Once you've registered your charity and created a business plan, it's time to start building a team and raising funds. You will need to recruit volunteers and staff members who are passionate about your cause, and you will need to come up with creative fundraising ideas to generate revenue. For example, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation is a charity organization that was founded in 2000 to improve global health and reduce poverty. They have a team of over 1,600 employees and have given billions of dollars in grants to support various causes around the world. In conclusion, starting a charity organization can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience. By following these steps and learning from successful charity organizations, you can make a positive impact in your community and beyond. We hope you found this video helpful. Kindly subscribe and give it a thumbs up. See you in the next one.